The man of the moment, Vijender, after a fantastic victory against his Chinese opponent. विजेंद्र जी, आपने जीत के बाद एक बहुत बड़ा स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट में आपका जो बेल्ट जीता हुआ वो आपने ऑफर किया, थोड़ा इसके बारे में पहले बताइए, क्योंकि माहौल जो है इंडिया और चाइना के साथ अच्छा नहीं है।
मैं एक मैसेज देना चाहता था इस बेल्ट के थ्रू कि आप हमारे बॉर्डर पर टेंशन है वो थोड़ी सी कम हो जाए, एक जान बच जाए किसी की भी, कुछ जो माहौल है बहुत खराब है, कहीं से भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, तो एक पीस का मैसेज था और वही मैं देना चाहता था। आई होप कि उसकी मीडिया उनके लोगों तक ये मैसेज पहुंचेगा।
दूसरी बात जो आप कह रहे इन टर्म्स ऑफ बॉक्सिंग, वाज लक ऑन योर साइड टुडे?
Yeah, because sports is all about luck only sometime, because कई बार तो लगता है सिक्सर, कई बार आउट हो जाता है, so it's all about that only. But जिसने जो फाउल पंच जो हिट करने शुरू किए थे, I think वहाँ से गलतियां होनी शुरू हुई थी।
The joke is, there is foul on the border and foul in the boxing ring also. But beyond that, I'd like to ask you, a lot of people in the audience, celebrities, and the atmosphere for boxing, where does this take Indian boxing in the future?
It's going to be like amazing, because it's like third show is in India, and like my first was in Mumbai, and people like especially Badshah, like sense of Bollywood is here, like Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. What else I need, man? Because he's the like superstar. He's here. He wished me. So thank you, Amitabh Bachchan sahab. Especially Baba Ramdev ji coming here. He especially fly from the Haridwar and he came here. So amazing. Thank you so much.
And last question: Independence Day coming up. What a wonderful Independence Day gift for Indians.
On 15, that Independence Day, I just launching my brand. It's With You. It's going to be online, and it's that's my logo. It's related with you, like it's with you all the time, because I'm a fighter, I'm a boxer. So if you need any kind of help, just wear my brand. You feel more power.
Congratulations, Vijender. Once again, lovely victory. Congratulations. Thank you for speaking to NDTV. So obviously, Vijender in festive spirit after this fantastic victory, and like a true sportsman, an important message for peace as India and China relations hit a low. The man here from the boxing ring says peace is the way forward. With camera person Anand Malepu in Mumbai, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.